first gen Camaro time here. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This car will definitely turn some heads. Paint on this, as you can see, a green metallic. This originally was a frost green car, has had a repaint along the way, and as you can see, it definitely shows nicely. Underneath the hood, numbers matching, 350 small block Chev. That is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic trans. I'm going to show you the front bumper, give you a good close look at this chin spoiler, grill. I don't know if the video and the pictures will quite do this car justice as far as the paint and reflection, luster you get off of it. As you can see, cowl hood. Also a lot of chrome in this car. Take a look at the underside pics, engine bay, a lot of chrome plating done in this. This is a nice looking show car, any of your local cruise-in, roll-ins. Again, it's going to turn some heads. Sounds good too. Still pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link, click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Power steering, power brakes, also equipped on this car. We'll pop the hood here in a little bit after I fire it up. I'm going to show you that engine bay, because like I said, it's definitely a looker underneath there. Chrome American Racing wheels, disc brakes up front, 5 spoke torque thrust style wheels, and again you can see the reflection wall behind me coming off this paint. Interior would be a midnight green standard interior. That still seems to be the way it is now, just the way it would have came from Chevrolet back in '69. Horseshoe shifter, a little aftermarket gauge cluster also on that center console. Headliner, everything good in the car. Vinyl's good. We'll pop that driver's door in a little bit here. Let's take a little closer look too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bumper on this car. Also appears has been re-chromed, very presentable shape. In the pictures, you're also going to find Protecto plate. This was originally a California delivered car. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And again, I stress, take a look at the underside of this car. There's probably over 100 pictures of this car from top to bottom, inside and out. Engine bay, trunk is finished off very nicely also. Let's go ahead and take a look right down this driver's side. Of course, your hockey stick style stripe. Not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. And again, you can see the reflection of the showroom behind me. Probably see all the way to the front door when I slip over here. Take a look at the lights. Paint will not disappoint in this car. Alright, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels, again that midnight green. I have the floor mats down here for the video since I'm going to be getting in and out of it, but you can see the carpeting in the still pictures. And you can see what kind of condition these seats are in. Also very nice, no rips, tears in the vinyl. Let's take a peek at that headliner, if I can keep the glare out of the camera here. There you go. Sorry about that, but again, matching colored headliner, also in good shape. Wipers do work in this, has an Alpine aftermarket stereo that does work. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll take a look at that engine bay. See how easily it fires up. Wipers, no problem. Stereo you can see. Sorry about the glare there, a little bright in here today. Dash, also in nice shape. And that horseshoe shifter. And take a look at the still pics. You get a little bit better idea of the interior with the still pictures. It's kind of tough with the glare. There's a little better shot. Door closes nicely, fits very well. Listen to that, a little rumble coming out of that 350. And again, remember, numbers matching. 350 paired up with that turbo 350 automatic transmission. I'm going to slip up to the front here. I want to pause this just a second. Let's get this hood popped. I want you to check out this engine bay. A lot to look at underneath there too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, a cowl induction hood. We got some Edelbrock dress up, valve covers, air cleaner cover, also Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock intake. You can see headers, power steering, power brakes. Now, like I mentioned, chrome. Take a look. It's either polished or chrome underneath here. Braided lines. Won't be shy about popping the hood open on this one at any car show. And a smooth runner besides. 350 V8. Nice looking setup underneath there. And like I said, take a look at the underside. You're going to see some more chrome underneath there. Good looking car. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Originally delivered in California. Comes with Protecto plate. Originally a frost green car with midnight green standard interior. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.